Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make beautiful woolen flower using two colors of wool and beads. The first thing to do is to wrap around the first color of wool on the fork for 30 times. Then tie to secure. Next, attach the second color of wool right at the middle of the fork and sew to secure. After that, you wrap around the second color of wool 6 times to make a visible combination. At this point, pull the design out from the fork. Then pass the needle right at the opening on the right hand of the design and attach a bead right there. Now pass it again to the other opening and sew to secure. Now you have one piece of the design, then make the little pieces 5 and join them together to make a beautiful woolen flower. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. When you get to this point, attach a medium-sized bead right at the center of the woolen flower to make it beautiful and seamless. I believe you all will find this tutorial easy to follow. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one.